Trillions of words and massive oceans of electricity currently fuel our modern attempts to teach machines how to think. Strip away the marketing, and a large language model is a statistical engine. It runs the math to calculate which word has the highest probability of appearing next in a sequence. While it processes billions of data tokens with incredible speed, it possesses zero comprehension. The machine has no awareness of the concepts it generates. This obsession with artificial neural networks has obscured the engineering of the original, divinely crafted learning machine, the human mind. An artificial intelligence starts as a blank hard drive, requiring massive external data dumps to recognize basic patterns. The human system begins with pre-installed hardware. This diagram maps human cognition based on Quranic principles. In the bottom right, the brain, labeled Alice-Ah, represents our built-in capacity for abstraction. This divine pre-programming is the critical mass for cognition. Without this base code, raw data would remain a meaningless blur. A human toddler can look at one wooden stool and grasp the universal concept of a chair. An AI requires a dataset of 50,000 labeled images to achieve a similar recognition. This innate capacity for meaning ensures human cognition operates on an entirely different architectural level than a biological computer. Sophisticated hardware is useless without a command to initiate the system. The command Iqra, read, functions as a master boot sequence. It initiates the mind's internal search engine, moving from potential into active operation. This triggers an auto-update protocol. The mind's capacity expands perpetually as long as the user remains intellectually engaged. A machine sits idle when not computing, but the human brain actively atrophies. Failing to initiate this read function causes the hardware to physically degrade. Human cognition is an active state. It requires a deliberate, continuous boot sequence to fulfill its engineered purpose. Once the system is booted, where does it pull its raw data from? It doesn't scrape isolated servers. It relies on human friction. The left side illustrates ta'aruf, acquaintance. Interaction between diverse tribes and worldviews provides the primary input stream. Colliding perspectives trigger a cognitive nuclear reaction. This reactor relies on the fission of ideas and fusion of experiences, generating the momentum to build civilizations. Isolation starves the machine. The human mind requires the friction of social diversity to generate the power needed to innovate. Without a filtration system, the massive influx of social data turns into chaotic noise that eventually paralyzes the mind. To prevent critical failure, the system uses a biological processor. These critical thinkers, the ulu al-albab, run algorithms to separate useless noise from valuable signals. The schematic identifies sleep as system maintenance, categorizing our biological downtime as an advanced integration protocol. During this phase, the brain flushes out chemical waste while defragmenting the day's data. It locks new information into the deep memory of our innate names. Our required 8 hours of downtime facilitates complex data integration that current AI architectures cannot replicate. An artificial intelligence ends its process by regurgitating stored data. The human pipeline has a different objective. The human system aims for Idrak, perception. This is the moment when data transforms into living wisdom that dictates how a person behaves. At the golden peak, accumulating knowledge leads to Khashya, profound awe. Recognizing the created world's complexity brings reverence. This regulates the system, ensuring the reactor's power is used for construction and service, preventing the user from being blinded by their own processing power. We can build machines to mimic the processing stages, but the soul remains beyond code. The human mind is the true reactor. AI is merely a tool in its hands.